Hello, here's an idea of how to load your tow dolly quicker and evenly. Paint some stripes, some high-vis stripes, so you can see it or your partner can see you loading it evenly. So my idea is drive your vehicle tires to the ramp, make sure it's about even, and then you can mark it. So you could mark it to paint, or you can measure the width of your vehicle and then measure the width of the ramps, and you could do the math so you could do your painting. For me, I tow a Kia Rondo behind my RV. And the width of my Kia Rondo allows me to paint stripes, high-vis stripes, 4 inches on the outside of this ramp and 4 inches on the outside of the other ramp. Here's another tip. You know how we like to park our tow dollies underneath our the back of our RVs to save space at the campgrounds and at home? Put an axle stand. There we go. Put an axle stand so when people step on the back, the front doesn't come up and hit your RV. Right? You could put you don't have to use an axle stand. You can use anything else that you can put underneath to keep the ramp or the back of the tow dolly from falling down and raising the front end and hitting your gas tank or anything in your RV. So you could use a piece of wood, milk crate, whatever. Okay, that was a bonus tip. Thanks for listening.